sang Tatay Leho. My name is Sally P. Razonable, 35 years of age. I am from Davao City, Philippines. I am single. I have 2 sons, 7 years old, 2 years old, daughter 11 years old. My highest educational attainment, high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, baking. My expertise are childcare and elderly care. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait from March 13, 2013 from April 15, 2015. My duties are taking care of children and elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, marketing, and car washing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save and earn money for my family, and I'm willing to take good care of elderly and newborn babies. I can sing like nursery song like 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell out, fell bound his head. So mama called a doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. To my future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am honest, obedient, and I promise to protect my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir. I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.